I'm Amber Mercatoris and I'm a Norwex Independent Sales Consultant. Today I'm going to show you how awesome Norwex is, and it can take everything off the surface of your counter. So I'm going to do that by using an Envirocloth. I just have it damp here with just water. I'm going to use some raw chicken, pretty gross there, and I'm going to use a protein swab. These are used in the food service industry to check countertops and make sure that they're nice and clean. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take my piece of raw chicken and I'm just going to smear it on the counter here. Pretty gross. And then I'm just going to use my Envirocloth here to wipe my hands. I know that it picks up everything, so I have no concern with that. I'm going to fold it nice and flat. I fold it into a square so that way the surface is contacting all of these fibers so that they can pick everything off there. So I'm going to wipe my surface here. And I'm just going to use the one side to show you later on that this will not transfer as well when I go back to rewipe it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my swab and I'm just going to swab this whole surface that I was just cleaning. Break the seal and squish it down. Now the way that this works is if it's green, it means that there's no protein present on the surface. As it starts to turn clear and then go to a darker purple, it just shows you the level of protein that's on there. So on here, if you can see, it is nice and green, and that means that there is no protein left on that surface. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to take the same swab and I am going to test the cloth and test on the same side that we used to just clean up all that chicken juice. I'm going to swirl it around. And once again, there is no protein on there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same cloth, the same side that I used to clean before, and I'm going to show you how the Norwex microfiber does not transfer to any other surfaces, which is awesome. So I'm going to clean back over that same area that I did. And usually you would think that if it was transferring, that it would be putting protein back onto that surface that it had cleaned off before. So I'm going to take that same swab and check that surface again. Nice and green. Okay, so now you might be thinking, okay, that's awesome, but this test doesn't work or something's malfunctioning, it doesn't really test for the protein. What I'm going to do now to prove that it does is go and test my chicken. Take a look at that. All dark purple, and it's starting to turn more and more as it stays in there to show you that it does actually work, test for the presence of protein, and that Norwex microfiber cleans everything off your surface, and it doesn't transfer when you clean a new surface, and that is with just water. So you're not leaving any residue on there, and you're not putting any toxic chemicals into your house or on your body. Thanks so much.